cleansing breath in between sides, and then cross the left leg up and over. Top left foot is flexed as we hug the right shin in. Maybe push the left knee out with the left elbow. Ankle circles. Chin is still slightly tucked. Reverse directions. And then release, keeping the top leg crossed. Lower the legs to the right. Arms come out to the side and gaze can fall to the left.
Stretch and reach, release the doubt. Let the tension all fade out. Muscles warm, spirit light. I stand steady in my mind.
And squaring up, everything comes through center. Cleansing breath. Extend through the left leg. Hug the right knee in towards the chest. Option to stay right here. Or you can extend through the right leg, grab wherever feels good. Maybe it's closer to the ankle, maybe it's lower down. And then pick up the upper body, bringing forehead to knee, shin, wherever it meets. And release. Sole of the right foot plants down, and then through the left leg first, and then extend through the right leg. Left knee, hug it in towards your chest. You can stay right here. If you want, you can extend through the left leg, grabbing wherever feels good on that left side, and then lifting up the upper body, and bring forehead to knee or shin. Slowly release. Plant the sole of the left foot. And bend through the right leg. Arms out to the side as we windshield wiper. Actually, let's do our little semicircles as we windshield wiper. It's like you're making a snow angel with the arms. Pause with the arms up overhead. Bring the soles of the feet together, knees splay open, supine butterfly. It's okay if there's that arch in the back.
Just me and the rising sun. Every breath aligns my way. Calm and focus, here to stay.
Relax your tongue away from the roof of your mouth.
Stretch and reach, release the doubt. Let the tension all fade out. Muscles warm, spirit light. I stand steady in my might. Heartbeat steady, mind in tune. Like a quiet afternoon. I don't push, I don't fight. I move with strength
to bring the knees together. Roll over into a fetal position. And keep the breath intentional.
Peace lives in my
When you're ready, let's push ourselves up into a comfortable seated position. You can soften your gaze down towards the mat or keep your eyes closed. Rest your wrists on your knees, palms facing up, point your fingers and thumbs gently touch. We're going to take 3 final breaths together. Inhale through the nose. Full lungs. Exhale audibly through the mouth. Push everything out. Inhale. Last round. Inhale. Take in one more sip of air at the top. Exhale. Bring the hands through the heart center.